I'm AC Bonifacio and I'm the dedicated showstopper ng Canada. Dancing, singing, obviously, working out with my friends, playing video games, and watching a lot of shows and movies. Yun po. Harrison Ford. I love Harrison Ford. Liam Neeson. Taken. It's such a traumatic movie for me. Cillian Murphy. So good in everything he does. Ate Catherine Bernardo. She is such a staple in my head since Got to Believe. Robert De Niro. I just watched him before I went to you. In all of my friends' houses, we feel the safest when we're inside a home, one of each other's homes. It's also sometimes where I have my me time pag kailangan ko po, umiyak or whatever. But friends' homes are my home. I love being at home. I've become such a inside house person. Kaya sakto po tong PBB. Nasa loob po ako ng bahay. Sakto. Sinigang, salmon, sashimi, tempura, anything beef. I love beef. And rice. Is that counted? Yes. I have rice with every meal. So, kailangan na sa favorite ko po yun. Anything chocolate, anything sugary and sweet. I know how to juggle very, very well. Hindi siya useful, pero hidden talent siya. Losing a loved one, I think yun po talaga. I can't even think of losing a loved one because so far in my life, thank the Lord, I have not lost anyone so deeply close to me yet. I don't want to, and I'm so scared because it hasn't happened. So I don't know how I'll handle it. So yun po, that's my biggest fear. Losing one of my loved ones. Because I live with my whole family. Kung alam niyo po, I didn't grow up with just my parents and my brother. I'm so close with my titas, my cousins, my lola. So close. Even with my titas, high school friends, kids, I'm so close with. So I grew up with such a close family. So yun po, I'm so scared of losing it. I wanted to be, when I was a kid, not even when I was a kid, until now naman, my dream is still to be a lawyer. Kasi lahat po, and my reasoning for that all the time is, kasi lahat ng nasa pamilya ko, nasa medical field. Sabi ko, so, pag may medical emergency, ang daming tutulong. Pero anong mangyayari kung one of our family pupunta sa jail? Or may kaso, ganun, basta ganun po. I wanted to be the first lawyer in the family. And kasi sabi din ni Mami, ang galing ko mag-argue. Ang galing ko mag-defend. Hindi ako, what's that word? Hindi ako magpapatalo. So yun po, that's why it has been in my head to be a lawyer. And when I was in school in Canada, nag-intro to law na po ako. But obviously, I wasn't able to balance it with being a breadwinner also. Isang bagay na I can't live without, I want to say my mom. Obviously, I want to say my mom. But I feel like I've said that in all the interviews now. I'm gonna switch it up. But don't cut that out para alam ng nanay ko na mahal ko siya. Deodorant. If I'm being so realistic, deodorant. That's one of my biggest fears also. I'm so scared of smelling. Ayoko po talaga, natatakot po ako. Kasi people don't tell you also. You have to have a true friend who will really go up to you and tell you na, medyo ano ka na, maligo ka naman, or like, no one will tell you. They'll just deal with the smell, tapos sasabihin nila sa iba. So, deodorant, I never want to smell. Yes.
Hi everyone! Therapeutic. Okay, I like Margot Robbie. I love Anne Hathaway, Leonardo DiCaprio, Brad Pitt. Gusto ko talaga si Ate Marian Rivera. Hindi pa kasi ako nag-artista, I look up to her already. Like, yung shows niya before, yun yung parang unang mga Filipino teleserye na pinanood ko ever. Jezebel, Marimar. Yun talaga yung mga unang teleserye na kinalakihan bago ako mag-artista. I like going to the mall. I also like going to a restaurant na may alfresco. So, dun laki. I love sweets. So, chocolates or gummies. I also love gyudon. Actually, anything na beef. I can eat beef every single day of my life. Beef salpicao. There was a time everyday salpicao or tanga palang kinakain ko. I also love pizza. Because I love pizza. I love red wine also. That's how I outline red wine. I like cheese. I like cheese, mga cold cuts, ganyan. I'm a meat lover, so beef. Anything with beef. Hirap ng hidden talent. Well, before I used to play a ukulele. Yung pandemic kasi, yun yung instrument na natutunan ko. Pero medyo nakalimutan ko na. Siguro kaya ko mag-cartwheel with one hand. It's a hidden talent. Scared of heights. Dati I'm scared of the dark. But then, when I started living alone, kailangan ko matulog mag-isa sa dilim at matulog mag-isa. I'm scared of paranormal activities as well. Ayun pa ng mga multo. Basta yun, fear of heights talaga. Pag nakita ko na nasa mataas akong lugar, medyo pinakabahan ako. I think to be a successful business woman, yung maging lady boss, to be a boss, one thing I can't live without, I think I can't live without my younger sister. Siya yung parang kakampi ko sa lahat. Cellphone, parang kaya ko naman pala mabuhay yung walang cellphone. Kasi parang it's been a day that I haven't used my cellphone. So, kaya ko naman. So, I can live without my sister.
Hey guys! I'm Daisy Martinez. Ako ang sinuring daughter from Cebu. Hobbies ko is mostly makikita mo lang na ako nagka-travel, going off-road, mga overland, overseas, camping, then kain. Kain lang ng kain at saka beach. Sometimes nakikita niyo ako sa beach like that. Always playing with my dog. And then, kung TikTok, kasali din. Lagi lang ako nasa phone and TikTok. Pero si Ann Curtis, Marian Rivera, Bryce Ganda, and then Anne Hathaway, and Julia Roberts. A lot of times, nasa car kami, kumakain kami ng fast food, and then, or other restaurants, then, me time. Hindi ako masyadong mag-me time eh. So, I'm always with friends. Kung me time, nasa bahay lang ako. Pero kung outside, sa mall, lagi ako shopping. Lagi, window shopping or shopping talaga. And then, sometimes, kung may birthday, sa mga party places, gano'n. With friends, hang out lang naman. And very chill lang. And sa Cebu, lagi ako nasa mountains. Then, sometimes nasa beach din. Pero more on mountains kung Cebu. Okay, sinigang, steak, adobo, ice cream, tsaka lava cake na may ice cream sa, warm brownie cup na may ice cream sa taas. Comfort food, ice cream, budots. Hindi expected. Pero honestly, kapag, oh my gosh, may time na nasa Siargao ako last month, January, panibudots lang ako. Na-shock yung mga kasama ko kasi akala nila, no ba yan yung very poised, ganun-ganun. Tapos bigla at night or during, nag-medical mission kasi kami. Then, so sobrang, what I call, tahimik during sa medical mission. Assigned ako sa dental. Then, bigla lang ako nagbudots kasi ang tahimik. Then, ayun, natawa sila. Sabi nila, baliw-baliw naman pala. Ganun. Tapos, ayun. Known talaga ako for budots. Multo! Multo. Kaya natatakot ako dito sa share. Hindi na. I don't know. So far, okay pa. Multo. Sobrang takot ako sa multo. As in, kung may matangkutin na tao, like, pinakamatakutin na tao na kilala nyo, feel ko mas malala pa ako. Wag lang sa multo, wag lang sa dilim, or anything na ganun. Yeah. Doctor. I want kasi, before naisipan ko na siya, pero I wanted to take up medicine. Kasi I heard na sobrang hirap, kaya wag na lang. And then, nung nag-medical mission ako, kasama ko mga doctors and all that, then inikot nila ako from surgery to dental to other parts, other departments. Ang saya. Like, yeah, busy sila lagi, pero ang saya with what they're doing. Then, parang naging dream ko din. Na-inspire ako sa what they do and their dedication sa mga ginagawa nila. Mom ko, she's always been with me. Growing up kami lang lagi dalawa. So, every achievement, every milestone, or kahit sobrang small to big or kahit ano man yan, alam niya lahat. Sinasabi ko agad, siya yung una kong iniisip. Or like, kapag may marinig ako, yung una kong iisipin si mommy, sabihin ko na to sa kanya. So, si mommy talaga.
Hi, my name is Bianca De Vera, ang sassy unikahihan ng Taguig.
Hobbies, I like to play tennis, running kapag hindi tinatamad. I also like to go on long drives, and so, I mean, pili ko kahit sinong Pinoy naman is really into BB. I went to their recent concert in the Philippine Arena in Araneta. It was amazing. I love them. BB. I've also been listening to Maki. He's also another local artist here in the Philippines. Of course, Taylor Swift. I grew up watching Taylor Swift. I grew up listening to her, Taylor Swift. Siyempre, Nuwala, or Queen, Kathleen Bernardo. My number one. And Anne Curtis. I love you, Ate Anne. Ako, I really enjoy going to cafes. That's where I enjoy doing my me time. Cafes, restaurants, exploring new food, exploring new cuisines, malls, top 5 favorite food, sinigang sa baboy, bulalo, yung masebong bulalo, tapos may init na kanin, yes! Caldereta, kare-kare, and kahit anong pasta, basta pasta.
My comfort food is the sinigang talaga. Kasi kahit if I have a fever or upo ko sipon, sinigang lang katapat niya minsan. My biggest fear, losing a loved one. Losing a loved one. That's my number 1.
Actually, I'm so grateful na itong ginagawa ko ngayon, yung pag-artista ko, is my job right now. Kasi pangarap ko talaga ito, lahat ng ginagawa ko at gagawin ko in the future. Yeah, I'm so happy to be living the dream. I can't live without my parents. Definitely. As in, gagawin ko lahat para sa kanila. Umakatawa para sa kanila. Kaya kong sumula ng bomba para sa kanila. Lahat! Yes.
Si Bran Manalo, ang Gentalino heartthrob ng Tarlac. Traveling, going to cafes, museums, shopping. Hindi ko na kung familiar sila, pero Keshi, Cigarettes After Sex, SZA, 1975, and Billie Eilish. Honestly, my room, yung condo, burger, pizza, Korean spicy noodles, hot pot, and caldereta. Caldereta ng mom ko. To have a mediocre life. Ever since, nung bata pa po akong maging astronaut. Naalala ko nung grade 3 ako, nagkaroon po ng planetarium sa school. Parang ganun activity. So, ever since then, sobrang fascinated ko na sa mga galaxies, sa mga stars, planets. Yun, doon yung simula. Siyempre, may family, may dog, Chucky. Tapos kung bagay naman, siguro, my phone.
Hi everyone, I'm Charlie Fleming, the bubbly bread cleaner ng Cagayan de Oro. Hobbies ko, my god, I'm a big hobby person. But right now, I like to paint, drawing, arts, the usual, singing and dancing. Yun lang. Top 5 is Rufa Mays, comedian. Rufa Mays is a comedian and an actor naman. I'm gonna put her at number 2, definitely. Dylan Wang. Dong Mong Soo. probably at number 1. Kasi yung pamilya niya, guys. Ann Curtis. And then, Donnie Pangilinan. Church. Sorry, doon kami nakikita ng friends ko. So, we just stay at church. Top 5 favorite food ko. Siyempre, ice cream. A salad wrap. Sir, mashed potato. Oh! What's that name? Roti prata. That is so good. And then, let's give a Filipino food. Afritada. Coffee food ice cream. And then, mom ko. So, kita ko bilits. That's it. Going to hell. Sorry, guys. I'm claustrophobic, so if super small yung spaces, wala akong window. Oh, no. I'm not sure. I wanted to be an engineer nung bata ko. Pero siguro now, singer. May dalawa. My Bible and skincare. Skincare talaga. Lifesaver.
My name is Dustin Yu. Ang chinito boss sikat ng Quezon City. Hobbies ko mag-workout, mag-basketball, hang with friends, mag-swimming, and mag-golf, and kumain. Top 5. Number 1, Joshua Garcia. 2, second, si Catherine Bernardo. Third, si Leonardo DiCaprio. Si Tom Holland, si Spider-Man. And last is si Justin Bieber. For my me time, I usually go to my gym. Mag-workout ako. I love eating alone. So, nag-try ako ng mga restaurants alone. And for friends naman, we usually go for a wine night. So, punta lang sa isang restaurant. Or, minsan sa Eraya, dun sa restaurant ko, nag-chill lang kami, wine lang, beach, ayan. Pag-stress and pagod, kailangan ko ng nature. Top 5 favorite food would be number 1, chicken inasal. Second, anything na beef or steak. Third, salmon or healthy samgyupsal. Okay, fifth, sinigang. Yeah. Comfort food ko inasal. Pero sa inasal na yung chicken breast na inasal. Mahilig ako manggaya ng tao. Kaya nag-uusap kami. Tapos mamaya maalala ko yung mga gestures niya. Alam mo siya ito, gano'n siya ng gano'n. Parang gano'n. Hindi ko alam kung talent yun though. Madami yun. Chef, doctor, businessman. Yun, tatlong yun. Pero never ko din maging artista. Jacket. Kasi lamigin akong tao. So mabilis ako magkasipon na parang konting lamig lang. Sisipulin agad yan.
What's up mga kapusot kapamilya? Ako si Emilio Diaz, ang Mr. Bankable Achiever ng Pasig. Mahilig po ako kumain, mahilig po ako mag-basketball, syempre traveling, hanging out with my family, my friends. Timothy Chalamet, number 1, Leonardo DiCaprio, Benedict Cumberbatch, Cillian Murphy, siguro isang Pinoy celebrity, Miguel is my brother. Kadalasan, sa bahay ko, bahay ng mom ko, bahay ng kaibigan ko, or my siblings. I like hanging out at the gym. Mahilig po ako mag-gym. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Fried chicken, steak, katsudon, spicy salmon maki, and curry. Fried chicken again, definitely. I really like katsudon, sorry. Ramen, pizza, pasta. Having regrets. Dream job! Siyempre, kung ano yung ginagawa ko ngayon, dream job talaga. Before, dati nung bata ako, akala ko magiging president ako ng bank, CEO ng bank. Yun yung dream job ko. My family. Kasi siyempre, nung bata ako, napapaligiran talaga ako ng family, and I grew up in an environment na family is very, very important to me. So, talagang, di talaga ako mabubuhay kung wala yung family ko.
Hello, classmates! This is Esnir, ang sensational viral bestie ng Diga City, Davao del Sur. Oh, my hobbies are baking, visiting Paris. Baking? Mahilig ako mag-bake. Wala mga Tsaka, cellphoning. Hobby ba yon? Yung mahilig mag-cellphone? Yes, yan yung hobby ko. Surfing. Kahit twice lang ako nakapag-surf sa buong buhay ko. Hobby ko na yan, syempre, social yan eh. Sige, top 1, Catherine Bernardo on top. Alam na alam mo yan, self. Alam na alam yan ng mga kaibigan ko. Sobrang fan po ako ni Miss Kat. Hello, Miss Kat! And number 2, sa lalaki naman, si Joshua Garcia. Crush niya ako though, but yeah, sobrang saludo po ako sa ang galing niya umiyak kasi magpapagalan ganyan. Tapos top 3 sa ibang bansa naman, si Anne Hathaway. Yes! Top 4, syempre si Miss Marian Rivera. Sobrang bait si Miss Marian Rivera. I love her. Diyosa! Sa lahat ng Diyosa. And 5, hala! Bibi, pantapon kita. Sorry, ngayon lang kita naalala. Si Bian Wosok. My love. My opa in life. Love you. Sa school. Always ako sa school kasi nag-shooting kami ng content ko, ganyan. So always ako pumupunta sa mga schools. Lahat ng school dito sa Manila ata napuntahan ko na napag-shootan na namin. And umuwi din ako sa amin, sa province, pag birthdays, Christmas. Pero wala yan sa tanong. Kasi yung tanong, di ba, lagi nga, di ba? So, sa bahay. Doon ako pumapa lagi sa bahay. Top 5 favorite food. Lahat-lahat na to, ha? Number 1, chicken curry. Talaga yun, favorite ko yun. Kuya, sana bigyan mo ko niyan sa bahay. Tapos, mango float. Yes. Number 3, siguro mga steak. Kahit wala akong pang steak. So, mga beef steak na lang, ganyan. Burger steak, ganyan. Number 4, Bicol Express. Gusto ko na mga spicy foods. Oh my gosh, sorry. Number 1 ulit. Pinaka number 1. 5 na yun sila. Pero pinaka number 1, seafoods. Lahat yan. Seafood boil. Kahit allergic ako sa seafood. Pero meron namang gamot. Yes. Antihistamine is the key. Hello, sobrang unique ng answer ko nito. Sabay tayo. Ice cream. Sobrang unique ng ice cream. Ice cream naman talaga. Lalo na cookies and cream. Hala, sobrang generic ng Okay lang. Bakit? Yan ako eh. Ice cream lang talaga. Ganon. Hidden talent ko, singing. Itago na lang natin. Kasi bawal siya malabas. Hidden talent ko, kaya kong tupiin yung dila ko. Kaya niya yon. Kaya niya yan, hindi niyo kaya yon. Biggest fear is losing the love of my life. Siyempre, lahat naman siguro tayo. Ikaw, gusto mo bang mawala sa'yo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay? Hindi, di ba? Oh, bakit mo pa ako tinatanong? Hindi yun din yung biggest fear ko. Biggest fear ko, mawala sila. Huwag naman sana, muna. Kasi, kailangan pa natin bumawi. Ayan, yes. Pati pets, mawalan ng pets, mawalan ng, yes, basta mahal sa buhay. I can't live without food, malamang. Try mo. Try mo mabuhay na walang pagkain, hindi mo kaya. Food. But, things? Siguro, sige, internet. Kasi syempre, kung wala yung internet, bakla, hindi ako makikilala ng mga tao. Hindi ko ma-showcase yung mga abilities, capabilities, talents, skills, and coordination. Ha? Ayun, yes, internet. As a social media influencer, content creator, and your future big winner. Ha!
parang magsarap panoorin. I also really like Adam Sandler kasi it's just such like a feel-good movie pag pinapanood ko siya. Third naman si Ate Marian Rivera. Grabe, I've worked with her before and in person she's so nice. At lahat ng mga teleserye niya, ang gaganda, and the way she portrays herself, it's amazing the way she can act. For the fourth, Bruno Mars. Grabe, I love Bruno Mars. You know, parang alam niyo, heartbroken na Bruno Mars. Grabe na, relate yung mga ibang songs niya. Yeah, he's very versatile and very good na singer. Kaya I love Bruno Mars. Siguro ito, Parokya ni Edgar. That's a classic. Classic. I don't know, kung Pilipino ka, tapos hindi ka miligit Parokya ni Edgar, Pilipino ka ba? So, yeah. Nung nasa labas pa ako, ay madalas po ako pupunta sa bahay ng best friend ko, kila Alfonso. Nag-chill na ako doon, nakikain, kasi grabe. Yung mom ni Alfonso, Tita Kate, she's a chef. So, alam mo na lahat ng pagkain, sobrang sarap. Kaya, you have to eat talaga. You have to eat. Never ka magugutom doon sa bahay nila. Kaya I love hanging out there. We also hang out madalas sa mga friends' house namin. You know, our mutual friends kami ni Alfonso. Either kala Enzo or kay Paolo. And, pag hindi ko sila kasama, nasa basketball court ako. Lalabas ko yung damdamin ko. Kung galit ako, kung masaya ako, kung malungkot ako, basta nasa court ako, focused. So, yeah. So, number 1 ko siya, Tocino. Oh my. Guys, Tocino. Kung gusto nyo kayo pasaya, bigyan nyo akong Tocino, I'm happy. Second, I love eggs. You know, any type of egg. I love omelette, scrambled, sunny side, poached. Guys, lahat yan. Basta egg. Sarap yan, sarap. Third one would be sinigang. Grabe. Yung paghigo ko pa lang ng mainit na sinigang, it's like, oh, sarap. Ramdam mo dito, parang, wow, sinigang. So yeah, sinigang for third one. Fourth one would be, I'm put carbonara. Grabe carbonara. Parang close kasi sa spaghetti, pero carbonara pa rin ako. I like the white sauce at, you know, with bacon na carbonara. Oof! Give that to me. Pang-5, syempre nandito mawawala. Fried chicken. Come on, everybody loves fried chicken. Ako, luto ng tita ko, luto ng mama ko. Basta fried chicken, nandyan na ako. My comfort food would probably be any type of silog. I don't know why, pero kada ng silog, tap silog, to silog, long silog, ham silog, basta silog. Parang, yeah, it's comforting for me. I feel like I can eat it either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Hindi ko pa nasasabi sa mga ibang interview. Fun fact guys, baka hindi kayo maniwala kasi payat ako. I can do a push-up with nakaganito. So wait, pahit ako lang. Di ba isa nakaganito? Ako naman dito, nakaganyan. So, 4 fingers in total. I think that's a hidden talent. So yeah, I'm being able to do my best. Kahit na alam ko I can reach this goal, I didn't do my best. Siguro that's one of my biggest fears. When I was a kid, I've always wanted to be a pilot. Siguro parang iniisip ko, parang sarap mag-drive na airplane sa air. Like, pag titignan mo, nandito na ako sa clouds. And siguro pilot kasi when I was a kid, I used to love being up in the air. Parang pag titignan ko, lahi-lahi nila. Tapos pilot pala tawag ko. So yeah. Thank you, yun yung mahirap.
Hi everybody, it's Kira Ballinger here ang Hopeful Belle ng Cavite. I like to playing with my dogs. Yun yung isang hobby ko. I really love playing with them. Nilalambing ko sila. Yan. Jennifer Lawrence. Girl, she's so funny. Jennifer Lawrence, Brad Pitt, oh my god, Leonardo DiCaprio. Puro international, no? I'm so sorry. Dito sa atin, oh my god, si Mami Iza Calzado. I love her. I love you, Mami Iza, if you're watching this. Pang-5, Liza Soberano. I really miss watching her. My god, if I'm not at work, I'm just at home. If I'm not at home, siguro kumakain ako sa labas. That's what I like to do. I really like eating. I like trying new restaurants. I like getting massages. It's really top 5 favorite foods. Salmon sushi, ramen. I love chicken teriyaki. I like salad. Yeah, that's good. Tortang talong. Oh. Comfort food ko, oh my gosh, anything na maasim. I love kilawin na tuna or kahit anong kilawin na isda. Pickled cucumber, yun yung tawag din, di ba? Yung cucumber na nakababad sa vinegar with pepper and, sarap. My gosh, I'm hungry. Nahihiya akong sabihin yung hidden talent ko. Napakawalang kwenta kasi I can whistle. I can whistle tunes as well. Losing my loved ones, of course, I think it's inevitable. And losing my career as well. I really do love both of them. And honestly, hindi ko alam how I will cope pag merong nawala sa kanila. When I was young, pangarap ko maging model, rampa-rampa. Pero nung medyo umidad na ako, gusto ko maging actress, ganun. Pero to like, sige, properly answer your question, young Kira, pangarap niya maging mermaid. Paglaki! Ayun lang. I can't survive without my parents, like, or family. Yung dalawang aso ko, si Bella at si Mandy, ngayon palang sobrang namimiss ko na sila. I think I can't survive without my camera. I like to capture moments kasi may times na very forgetful ako. So, when I see pictures, nare-remind ako dun sa specific moment na yun. So, yeah.
Hi! Ako po si Clarice Guzman, ang kwelang soul diva ng Antipolo. Hobby, syempre, pagkanta, videoke. Mo, Beyonce, si Chaperone, gusto nyo sa Chaperone, and Miss Lani Bisalucha. Mahilig ako, para sa akin kasi therapy ko ang magpang-grocery. Magbibili na kung ano-ano kasi milig na ako magluto. And coffee shop. Coffee shops, ayun. Siyempre, sinigang na baboy, ramen, steak, fried chicken, at bulalo. Kasi mahilig talaga ako sa sabaw. Mahilig ako sa mga sabaw or noodles. Sopas or ramen. Hidden talent? Hindi ko alam kung hidden pa siya, pero siguro yung nagagaya ng mga iba't ibang boses. Yun. Biggest fear, syempre yung mawalan ng mahal sa buhay. Especially my parents na... Actually, last year, kakamatay na ng father ko. So, now yung mama ko, huwag naman. That's my biggest fear. Dream job, nung bata ako, pangarap ko talaga is maging doktor. Pero hindi rin natuloy kasi hirap pala. Naging singer na lang ako. Hindi pala lang. Yun pang singer talaga ako. Ayun. Alam ko naman na mas maikli yung lifespan nila sa atin. Pero pag naiisip ko siya, parang hindi ko kaya. So, ayun, yung mga 2 dogs ko.
Hello po, ako po si Michael Sager.
John Lloyd Cruz for me. Very big fan ako growing up. I watched the shows with Sarah. And number 2 naman, Daniel Padilla. I think Kathy ang fan ako ever since. So, for sure he's up there. Number 3, Tom Cruise. One of my favorite international actors. Especially when he does his stunts. Number 4, si Kuya Alden. Kuya Alden, I got to witness him on set and masaya lang siya kasama. Tapos number 5, Rico Yan. Sorry, favorites. Okay, so on my days off, I usually try my best to work out. So it's one of my hangout places, a gym. And apart from that, siguro sa kwarto ko lang, I appreciate din kasi minsan yung pag nasa set, pag nasa trabaho tayo, extroverted. So pag nasa kwarto ako, I have my time to myself, nakapag-isip. And ayun, those are usually my two common hangout spots. Siguro, I'll start with pizza. Favorite ko yung pizza. I think I won't get sick of eating pizza. Number 2, burgers, cheeseburgers, specifically yung may lettuce, ketchup and cheese. Number 3, sushi. Favorite ko sushi. My favorite is California roll, very basic, pero favorite ko. Adobo na lang. Adobo is my favorite. So 4 yung adobo. Tapos number 5, pasta. Comfort food is ice cream. Ayan, kaya pinalit ko. My comfort food is ice cream. My favorite flavor is cookie dough and cookies and cream. Hidden talent. I know how to I know how to ice skate. Sorry, kasi before I used to play hockey. So, marunong ako mag-ice skating and rollerblading. So, biggest fear, siguro being stuck in the middle of the ocean tapos yung dagat, ang dilim na kasi ang layo. Katakot. Growing up, ang dream ko talaga is become a pilot. And I don't know, ever since nakasakit sa plano, sabi ko, gusto ko maging piloto. And apart from that naman, I've always wanted to become an architect. It's one of my dream jobs. And who knows, someday baka magawa. One thing I can't live without. I think my family talaga, siguro as a collective na lang. Kasi everyday I talk to them, everyday, whether it be tambay lang or talagang pinakausap sila. So that's, for sure can't live without.
Hi, what's up you guys? This is Mika Salamanca, ang controversial kabalet ng Pampanga. I sing, I write songs, I read books, and I cook. Favorite actor and actresses, Tom Hiddleston, Marian Rivera, Rachel McAdams, si Joy Spring. Bibigay ko ulit yung spot kay Tom Hiddleston kasi sobrang mahal ko siya. Sa hot pot place, saan may hot pot, usually more on sa bahay mismo. Nakikihang out ako sa friends ko sa bahay mismo. Comfort ng bahay. Sa cafe, somewhere quiet. Somewhere quiet. Sa beach. Bicol Express. Anything na seafood. Seafood boil. Hot pot. Corn. Sinigang. Hot pot. Hidden talent ko is pag malapit na umulan, I can tell. I can tell when it's about to rain. Biggest fear is losing someone I love. Dream job ko maging... Oh my Lord. One thing I can't live without is a sunscreen. Yeah.
Hello everyone. So ang una ko is Keanu Reeves. Second is Johnny Depp. And third, Leonardo DiCaprio. And then sa local, si Direk Coco Martin and Kuya Joshua Garcia. Usually sa mga bahay-bahay po ng mga kaibigan ko, and sa bahay ko din po usually yun yung mga tambayan namin. And doon po talaga mga favorite kong times, doon po talaga nabubuo, tsaka mga memories po na yun, hindi ko makakalimutan. Top 5 favorite food. Unang-una po, hipon. Kahit anong luto po ng hipon, favorite ko po talaga. Number 2, chicken teriyaki. And then, number 3, steak. Number 4, sisig. Tapos, 5, lechon. Ang comfort food ko actually, junk food. So, kung ano man brand ng chips yan, medyo sakit ko po yan na mag-binge eat ng mga snacks paminsan, lalo na pag stress or lalo na pag nanonood ng movies. So yun po talaga pag junk food. Hidden talents. Ang hindi po alam ng marami siguro ay marunong po ako magpiano. Medyo rusty lang po kasi ilang years na din kasi akong hindi nag-lessons. Pero every now and then I still try and learn a new piece pag may time. siguro yung biggest fear ko, na medyo deep, na at the end of it all, na hindi ako maging satisfied sa mga nagawa ko sa buhay ko. So that's why I try to make every single moment count and every day count as well. Ang dream job ko actually is na makagawa ako ng sarili kong business. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yun, kung damit ba or restaurant or what. Pero hopefully in the future magawa ko na yun. One thing I can't live without talaga is my family. So as you may have heard from my story, malaking parte po ng buhay ko talaga ang aking pamilya. And I've grown up ever since with my lolas, my lolos, my titos, mga pinsan ko po. And syempre my immediate family. And they have been such a big support system throughout my whole life, and I can't imagine one without them.
Hi, I am River Joseph. I'm a sporty business bro ng Muntinlupa City. So, ang hobbies na ginagawa ko ay golf, basketball, gym rin, nanonood ng movies, kumakain sa labas. Yun yung mga hobbies ko. Ngayon, number 1, Timothy Chalamet. Number 2, Seth Rogen. Number 3, yung Hugh Jackman, isa pa. Anthony Starr. May show kasi ako na pinapanood ngayon. Anthony Starr, and siguro local naman, mag-local tayo. John Lloyd Cruz. Usually, kung nag-hangout ako, malapit lang kasi yung country club sa bahay ko. As in, kaharap lang talaga. Kaya, halos everyday nandun ako. Either nag-golf nga, or nag-gym, o kumakain, o nag-hangout sa friends, laging nandun. O minsan naman rin sa mall o sa bahay. Pero usually doon lang talaga sa Muntinlupa, sa Mayo Alabang. Doon ako nag-hangout. Top 5 favorite food? Sushi, burger, sisig, bacon, tsaka duck. Comfort food, yung mga comfort food ko, usually mga potato chips, popcorn, french fries, tsaka onion rings. Biggest fear, syempre losing a loved one. Na-experience ko na rin yun at sobrang sakit at ayaw kong mangyari ulit. Dream job, dati nung bata ako parang gusto ko maging astronaut, pero parang ayaw ko na maging astronaut. Ngayon siguro besides acting na naging dream job ko, siguro may-ari ng businessman. God. Ay kailangan ko laging kinakausap si God at lagi naman siya nandyan.
Everybody, this is Shubetrata, ang island ate ng Cebu. Hobbies ko, siguro, watching K-drama. Like, that's my guilty pleasure. And eating talaga. Like, that's my another guilty pleasure. I reward myself with food. So, that's one thing. And another siguro, sometimes I read. Pero, not as much as I did na before, like, compared to before. Hindi na masyado. Ngayon, mas sleeping. Kasi, dahil puyatan ang buhay ng artista, dahil kailangan ko talaga bawiin ang pulo. So, yun yung mga hobbies ko na. One, syempre si Donnie. Kuya Ding Dong Dantes. Because he's so nice. Like, he's so nice. I love him. I look up to him. Like, he inspires me talaga. Barbie Forteza kasi she inspires me to just be genuine with who you are. Like, be authentic and people will love you for who you are. Si Brad Pitt na lang. Kasi ang gwapo niya hanggang ngayon. Chris Evans. Kasi, wala lang. Parang, naisip ko talaga magiging asawa ko siya in the future. Wala lang. Ko lang siya crush. Basta kung kami, mga friends ko, either sa bahay yan or somewhere, restaurants or something, just go out and eat and drink. That's our, talaga. Monthly, we make sure na nakikita namin yung isa't isa. They're like my core, so I spend my extra time with them. One is Salpicao. Second is fried chicken. Arroz caldo. Munggo. Fourth, anything fruits. Any fruits. Can live with that. Salpicao. tsaka gising-gising. Fear. Sharks and heights. Pero I'm really afraid of like, deep waters thing. Very dark na hindi ko na makikita. Baka may galon doon na lumabas. So even the, fear of unknown. I have that fear of the unknown. Like, if I don't know what's going on, or like, if bago siya sa akin, I just fear things. And then, heights. Sino bang hindi takot sa heights? Sino bang gustong malakas? Pero ayoko din na, ayoko kasi ma-fall. Ma-fall ka, masakit ka, di ba? Ma-fall ka sa maling tao. Hindi, ma-fall eh. Pabalian ka pa ng buto. Ayoko lang ng heights. Ayoko ng bungee jumping. Ayoko ng dream job to become a doctor. That was my dream ever since I was kinder 2. Oh, and guess what? I don't have my phone! So I might just die. Charis lang. Siguro yun talaga guys. Kasi social media yung trabaho ko eh. So malalaman natin sa mga susunod na araw kung buhay pa ba ako or hindi. Abangan nyo na lang talaga sa susunod na kabanata guys. Sige nga kayo. I-try nyo ang cellphone. So, mamatay din, mabaliw din. Hindi natin alam. Malalaman nyo talaga.
My name is Vince, ang charming bro next door ng Cainta, Rizal. Hobbies ko is syempre pagkagising, diretso agad daw sa gym. Pampatanggal yun ng stress ko at pampa-energize yun ng araw ko. Playing football with friends, isa din na sport ko nung high school ako. Basketball naman, isa din yan sa mga hobbies din ng mga iba ko namang friends. Dami kong friends, no? Playing video games na binabawas-bawasan ko na din kasi grabe makakonsume ng time. Mahilig din ako na manood ng podcast at manood ng videos about business. Pinaka-favorite ko is si Kuya Alden, Jericho Rosales, Heart Evangelista, Ding Dong Dantes, at syempre, panglima is si Ate Marian Rivera. Isa sa mga favorite ko, mga chill spot ko is mga coffee place. Mahilig ako mag-explore when it comes to coffee and yung parang ambience. Isa din sa mahilig ako tumambay is sa gym. Isa sa rason kung bakit mahilig ako tumambay sa gym is because for some reason gusto ko yung mga nakikilala ko sa gym dahil din siguro parang pinaprioritize namin yung fitness, ganyan. Kapag nag-gym, meron din parang notion na disiplinado tong taong to, ganyan. So, nag-resonate ako sa mga taong ganun kasi masasabi ko, isa din akong taong ganun. Chicken inasal, kare-kare, bulalo, tinola, sisig. Basta may sabaw, ramen, sandwiches, chicken sandwiches, french fries, tsaka bread. Kaya ko pagalawin yung tenga ko. Ayun. Alam mo, masasabi ko pagdating sa dream job, masasabi ko din kasi talaga na dream job ko ang pagiging artista. Siguro meron akong second dream job. Ang second dream job ko is maging pilot. Kaya din siguro gusto ko mag-travel at meron lang din talaga akong interest na makapag-guide ng plane. One thing I can't live without is my mom. Hindi siya thing. Person siya. Kasi siguro sa estado ng buhay ko ngayon, ang laking bagay talaga na nakasama ko yung mom ko. Masasabi ko na she keeps me grounded. She always guides me in terms of my career and on how I think. Gina-guide niya din ako when it comes to relationship with God And I feel like na importante talaga siyang tao sa akin. Gusto ko siyang
Hi guys, my name is then Vilma Santos noon. Usually kasi gusto ko yung mga yung mga magagandang view, yung relaxing lang, like fresh air, yung mga Tagaytay, ganyan. Pero usually pag kami ng friends ko talaga, coffee sa Cavite, hilig ako sa siomai, chicken, noodles, halo-halo, kuchi, siomai talaga. Yun talaga yung pinaka-comfort food ko. Pagka sobrang pagod from work, order lang ako siomai. Na 8 pieces, masaya na ako. Biggest fear ko, sabi ko lang kanina, is to lose my mom. Kasi dalawa na din kami. So, kasi nung 6 pa lang ako nung namatay yung dad ko. And si mami lagi ko kasama sa taping, kahit saan ito. Nung bata ko, gusto ko maging doktor talaga. Yun talaga yung pinaka-dream ko. Pero eventually nagbago siya. Gusto ko pasukin yung mundo ng business din. Ngayon, one thing I can't live without, siguro my family. My family kasi, yun nga, sila yung nagbibigay ng lakas sa akin. Yung support ang binibigay nila sa akin. Mas nagkakaroon ako ng drive para gawin lahat ng bagay ng ganda.
Hi, I'm Sally Manabat, ang golden actress ng Rizal. Hobbies, kumain, manood ng series, makainin yung tao sa paligid ko. Parang yun lang yung hobby ko. Tapos, ayun, gumala. Sobrang outgoing ko. Sobrang gusto ko adventure. Mag-ride with my boyfriend. And i-trip talaga. Ayun, ewan ko, hobby ba yun? Hobby naman yun siya. Ito Jody, Ate Jody, Kuya Piolo, and Chongdi, and Curtis. Hala, Carlo Aquino, 26. Bukod sa may kusina, sa kwarto lang, or kung lugar naman sa may overlooking, ganun, doon ako madalas. Overlooking, sa beach hindi naman. Yun, mga overlooking places, mga nature, or yun, kung sa bahay naman, kusina or kama, ganun lang. 5 favorite food, crepe, bingsu, lechon kawali, popcorn, mojos. Tama. Yun. Mojos or bingsu. Biggest fear, mawalan ng mahal sa buhay. And hindi ko ma-achieve yung gusto kong buhay for myself and for my family. Hindi umaman, yun. Fear ko yun. Nung bata ako, nakakita ko ng picture ko nung preschool ako na nakasuot ako ng pandoktor. Yung sa mga career picture, career day. Yun, gusto ko maging doktor. Tapos nito namang kamakailan lang, parang gusto kong mag-prelo ng psych. Tapos lawyer ako. Psychiatrist and lawyer. Ganda nun. Tapos ako rin yung customer. Food, water. Scientifically, tsaka totoo. Yun lang.